This no-bake lime and avocado cheesecake is such a dream dessert. It's so creamy, rich, with a touch of sourness from the lime. Let me show you how to make it.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Place the biscuits into a grinder and grind finely. Then add melted butter and stir to combine so you will get a mixture like wet sands. Press to the sides and bottom of the mold to make the base of the cake. Now mix gelatin powder with water. Then add whipping cream to a saucepan together with the gelatin mixture and bring to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat while stirring constantly until it's completely dissolved. Strain through a sieve. Now cut the flesh of an avocado into small cubes, then put into a blender with the cream cheese, the zest of 2 lemons, and then lemon juice. You can find the written recipe with exact measurements on my website helenrecipes.com. Then add sweetened condensed milk and blend until smooth. Combine the avocado puree with the gelatin and whipping cream. Stir well and pour over the crust. Refrigerate for about 5 hours until the cheesecake is set. Garnish with some lime slices and a sprinkle of pistachios, lime zest. If you give this recipe a try, don't forget to share with me a photo on Instagram or Facebook with hashtag Helen Recipes. I'm always looking forward to seeing them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!